Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you everyone for coming. My name is Muhammad Juar Musa. I came from the Eastern Erege, Ramma University. And also now I'm going to present my innovative business idea that entitled Multi-Powered Homemade Poultry Egg Incubators and Day-Old Chick Productions. As a major problems, poultry industry plays a crucial role in addressing the protein malnutrition and empowering resource poor communities globally. As it has such importance, the sector faces by significant challenges, including the limited supplies of day-old chicks. Sustainable egg and poultry egg and meat production requires reliable supplies of day-old chicks. Currently, as supplying of this product is very limited due to totally dependence on the modern imported modern electric incubators and natural incubation systems. Imported modern electric incubator is not equally applied in both rural and urban area of developing countries, including our countries, due to the shortage of the electricity or intermittent electric facility in the rural areas. Additionally, this technology is very expensive. It is not as equal to small-scale poultry producers. Additionally, this sophisticated technology needs skilled manpowers. It is difficult to operate by highly educated persons. Due to these problems, majority of hatching of the old chicks, specifically in rural area, relies on the natural incubation systems. This is the designs of it. This is the designs of it that I already prepared. It contains four major parts. The first part is solar PV system, and the next part is control unit. The third and the major part is settery room, where the eggs are set during the first 18 days of incubation. And the last compartment is hatchery room, where the eggs are transferred during the last 3 days of incubation. This is also a prototype that I tried to develop it from different materials and at different times. The first materials, as you can observe it from this picture, is the first preliminary test or the first material I tried to develop it in the big highlands. Within this, during that, I tried to adjust temperatures and the ventilation to some extent. But within this vacuum, it is difficult to adjust the relative humidity and development of turning mechanism. Due to that, it registered 13% of hatchabilities. But I learned something good for the next preliminary, the next materials. The next material is the second material, as you can observe it from these pictures. This technology, 19 egg holders. This technology is, in general, it is not randomly developed technology. I was done my MSc thesis on these specific types of incubators. This technology is somewhat, it is started to the benefiting our customers when we distributing the day-old chicks that produced through these technologies to the Eastern Hararghe different waradas. I also, the first patent I tried to obtain first patent is from the Ethiopian intellectual property rights. So as a summary of solution is through intervention of these technologies, existing production gaps of the day-old chicks will be minimized, particularly in remote areas. Also, an availability of desired version in the market will be reduced through intervention of this technology. Low productivity of the local hens will be improved, and it is very cost effective when compared with modern electric incubator. For example, a commercial incubator is with 500 egg holder capacity cost around 3.5 million, whereas our homemade incubator version with the same capacity only 385,000. The next one is arthritis. During the we have a production distribution channels, direct sales to the customers by creating representative agents in different areas. And also for the future, we have a plan to evolve in the online marketing. Finally, uniqueness of this technology is dual powering of the incubator is one of the achievements. The other one is availability of desired incubators. This is the financial aspects. For the startups, we need 4.5 million through this allocated over the objectives. The next one is our annual production plan. Annual production plan is also, we try to display all these figures.
Appreciate the presentation. You included all the points related with finance, cost, pricing, the technology, how you operate, and also your background, the team. You already presented all the relevant information that needs to be included in any pitching. So I need to appreciate that.